Gentlemen in the mix.
Hello, traders. I have returned. It is Monday. It is the second stream on the Monday. Elephant in the room. It's because of Ethereum. Ethereum has pumped so much that it has beckoned me only moments after my workout, gym time. I mean, had enough time to chug a protein shake and make coffee. And yeah, just incredible price action. I mean, the breakout, the catalyst, I mean, it wasn't even really a big deal, man. I mean, Bloomberg analysts projecting 75% chance of an ETF approval on Ethereum is what has caused this rapid increase in price. where Ethereum is now over 18% up on the day, trading at its highest price since April 9th, and it's just kind of crazy. And this is so freaking good for altcoins. Incredible. Since Ethereum, many altcoins were created on the Ethereum platform. I don't know, it's just good stuff for the trade setups that were set up, but they could have failed because no one may have bid on them. We knew they were low risk for entries and tight stop losses with max upside if they did play out. And this is the type of price action we really, really needed. So hype in the freaking chat for Ethereum here. Certainly going to owe, that alcoholic beverage chug at some point. I don't know. It's probably not a good idea to do it after a workout like this. But pretty awesome price action on Bitcoin, too, as I'm looking at it on the 4-hour. All that's happened was market participants pushed the price down to back test 69K as support, and Bitcoin is up $742 since that back test. And Ethereum is near its highs of the day, near its highs of the month. Incredible, breaking 3580 like a hot knife through butter. Key inflection point from history, as you look and see, it was a reversal in March 2022. There's just not much here. Not much here above 3580 till $4,000. So this is what we wait for. This is what we live for as crypto market participants. Hey, look, it's El Grolio on Twitch. Thanks for the Moon Boy pump emoji. My God, dude, Ethereum right now as I'm speaking to you is pretty much at the highs. Again, session highs on Ethereum. It's the Ethereum show, Ethereum Live, with my co-host, Vitalik Buterin. They did it, man. They freaking did it. Thrice they tried, thrice they failed. Those poor, pathetic sellers. Trend was just too powerful. Support was too strong. Wow, sorry, my little Bitcoin alert. What's going on? Let me just show you real quick, because I know people are going to want to stay on this chart because this is insane. We are witnessing the pump in real time. There was Vitalik himself. Thanks, Vitalik, for the text, man. Yeah, let me show you the Bitcoin price action correlating to a key level here. It's incredible. Right, look at this, man. Look what they've done. We broke the former all-time high from 2021 on the close, 4-hour candle close. It was when the stock market closed, and look at this candle, just the back test and then the rally.
Hi Mitch, please check CAS/USDT. It looks
exactly like
Eth before the breakout.
Oh yeah, remixed. Well. Ethereum goes up 20%. Look who shows up to request whatever that was. Thank you. Oh, U.S. House of Representatives passed the American Blockchains Act today. Oh, I thought it was already passed and it was up to Brandon to destroy it or not. So I'll tell you, man, this is some seriously good price action at a key freaking level. Undeniable back test if you go all the way back right here. Do you see that? That's incredible. God, can y'all hear the music? What are the audio levels sounding like to y'all right now? We okay? Kind of a different angle going on right now. I'm on the right. It's the other look, 280 degrees view. You can't really see. That's the ocean over there. Do you see the ocean? The motion of the ocean? My God. Voice is okay. Music's quiet. That's good. That's good that the music's quiet, man. Maybe a little bit louder. Man, that's almost too loud. I don't know. All right, so these altcoins have really, really started picking up. I mean, Ethereum Classic alert going off. ENS, holy crap. Look at ENS up 25+%. Sheesh, dude. Big sheesh. But as you can see, it was kind of just trash price action for 5 weeks. Nothing really was happening. I guess they back tested 1446. It's just the news-driven stuff, and it's just run up to another key resistance, 1820, 1822 here. That's about it. I mean, I guess we could have said there was probably some sort of M shape, close enough to an M shape, right? Like a shark or something. It was. They just thought that there were better ones, maybe. Okay, yeah, 13% right there. Close, man, very close, but there was no type 2 or anything. It was like an M shape. Yeah, okay. Ethereum name services or whatever, yeah. And then Ethereum Classic was just beautiful, skating along that 200-something moving average, the demand line, the bullish back test, the key level of all levels. Oh my God, it's up 18+%.
I'm glad I made it for the second stream. Thanks as always.
Zumpao, thank you for the Super American contribution. Yeah, dude, second breakfast, second stream. So I do declare Ethereum Classic trading at its highest price since April 12th, 5-week highs. What did you think? I mean, like, the most rational thing that could have happened, right? Where a key level that we know so well was formally back tested as support, and 1 and 2 and 3, and now it's just gone. Probably going to run at 36. Still an active trade setup back from late January that hit technically only one target. It was 20 cents off two targets.
I dump on April 13th. Get wrecked, Gary.
Yeah. How about it, man? I mean, that was it was a summons. We were screwed. Hold on, let me get my chat going. Sorry, let's. Oh, it's Memecoin. It's up 50%. See, don't get mogged, bro. Don't get mogged. Yeah, well, it looked okay, right? Looked like some other ones. Sorry. This is tough, man, doing the laptop travel stream. Sorry. Thanks, BK. Yeah, well, 886 is going to 886. So that's pretty wonderful. Okay. So Ethereum Classic, Ethereum name services, incredible. Ethereum itself, absolute moon. And then we got Uniswap now up 22.4%. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. And there you have it. You never know, man. These M shapes, complete in well-established uptrends. They're there. They're sitting there 5 weeks, and you just don't know if they will succeed until days like this. And then you understand, one could have taken a position if they truly wanted to. What the? Ethereum alert going off. Are you kidding me? 36.75, 19.66% up, and continuing to climb. Chad, this is unreal. We've been waiting 2 months for price action like this, and we now have it on a freaking Monday. Someone's got a case of the Mondays, and that's now my new favorite thing. I now want to have cases of Mondays for the rest of my life now. Yeah, what is this candle? Isn't that the thing that what Lenin said? Right? There are years that go by where nothing happens, and then there are minutes and moments that go by where decades happen, or something like that. You know, decades where nothing happens, and then moments and minutes where decades happen. So that's kind of on the crypto scale where we are today. You need to get some flair, man.
Take a look at sppps.com NYSE. Thanks, Mitch.
Well, yeah, Anonymous. I mean, I kind of went live for the SPPP repeating, of course. You know, that was kind of the whole reason. So not Ethereum or crypto pumping with the stock market being closed now. You know, nothing to do with that. So sure, we'll look at that when we can. I'll just have another alert set up so we can just drop what we're doing and come right back to it when we hear 3700 alert go off. Okay, so just looking at, Uniswap, absolutely divine stuff, man. I'm so impressed, so happy. You just type 1, type 2 maybe in there. The engulfing candle off support, and look at you now, man. Highest price since April 11th, and it just is a dream of dreams. There are others that are up. INJ's up 15%. Theta, Lind, Unibot, man, forget it, dude. Meka finally did it. Finally turned around. It's incredible. What a run. What a rally. Up trading is the highest price since April 18th. Going for the highest close since April 16th. It's freaking nice, man.
Advised 2 months ago, good to accumulate while nobody cares about crypto. Up a lot on Uni.
There you go, man. I mean, it's simple, right? We know long-term uptrend. Who cares? Correction, 52? We don't know, and we don't care. We just know long-term uptrend, and we know DCA environment. Good, right? Once a week, 10% every week. That'd be like straight up 8-9 weeks of DCAing since the correction kind of began. So beautiful. Thanks, man, for the 5, and thanks for watching when it was very dead. I mean, it's been dead every day. It just at wit's end with this market, knowing the setups are there, but no one was buying till today. GRT up 11+%, and at its highest highs of the day right now, highest high since April 9th. Very nice. Neo, pretty amazing. Like, discovered this. And it's kind of how I have it, is a little weird, but it looked kind of amazing. Pinged patrons this weekend on this one, and we got a nice bullish and golden candle going for the highest close since May 5th. Not that much to write home about, but we were talking about a well-established uptrend. I mean, this is incredible to identify an M shape that looks like this, and it was so close, right around the 88% retrace above the 200 moving average. So much demand, the sellers could not test it, and trading above the Wyckoff accumulation range. We are like talking about like a backup harmonic here, a BU harmonic. It's so crazy. So you're thinking easy targets, $21, $22, and then eventually they break it, and we head on up to $30+. Remember, this asset at one time $180.
Top and mad at you that BTC had to cool down.
Thank you, Bushman. Well, yeah, people get mad. People definitely blamed me for Bitcoin finally topping out for 2 months. Certainly, there were people. That's cool. You know, these pullbacks have to happen for M shapes like this to develop. So this is just the beginning for Neo. Do you understand? Just the beginning. Signal candle today, you got 28 to 36% upside, and that's like minimum upside. You just don't get opportunities like this very often, man. You just don't. Wait, so the audio y'all said was okay for real? Yeah. All right. Where's the stream tracker for Ethereum? I know, dude. I don't have it. It's like my mobile setup. I normally never have it set up for that. I know it sucks. I am streaming in here because, if you don't know, I talked about it on the last stream. One of my monitors, a very important utility monitor for like screen capturing and all other ancillary things, it died. Like literally died this way. I've never seen a monitor die like that. You could not resuscitate it if you wanted to. I ordered 2 amazing new ones, nice tax write-offs. You know, it's going to be great, but they'll be in a few days. So I'm kind of stuck on my travel setup because I don't want to have to mess with anything in my other setup. So I'm just dealing mild inconvenience, but of course leave it up to, you know, the timing's impeccable, is it not? It's amazing. No, dude, this monitor I've been using for 4 years probably now, so it served its purpose. It was good, but it died. So RIP monitor number 3. RIPs in the chat for monitor number 3. Okay, so just talking about Altcoin. You know, it's crappy that it's up 11% today. I know it's a trade setup near entry in the past few days, and it's gone nowhere. I get it. You know, you're waiting for it to pull a Uniswap or an ETC where it's taking out the highs of 675 and it's running to the targets, big targets up here, $950+. So patience, I think, is the only thing you can do. The setup is there. It's beautiful. You got to wait, though, and stay patient. If you're in it, hey, man, your position's up 11%. Great. Avalanche had similar setup. It's beautiful. I mean, it's like M-shape, triple bottom, bullish and golden candle going for the highest daily candle close since either April 11th or April 22nd or April 11th. And just right up against the key level. If they break that, there's just max upside potential. Crazy upside to these structures. It took the structures at this point 112 days to develop into something that could be strategized with an entry and strategic stop loss. 112 days. That's unfortunately how long it takes sometimes, a lot of times. And, you know, it's the daily. I've got an alert set up, remember, on Ethereum at 2,700. So if we're hitting that, you're going to hear the beep. We're going to go right back to it. Just kind of getting through some of these that had, let's look at Solana real quick. Only up 9+%. What a joke. Pathetic. I'm actually kind of embarrassed for Solana, only being up almost 10% today, trading at its highest price since April 3rd. It's the dragon. The first target of the trade setup was 196 and change. So getting very, very close to this being a successful trade, at least somewhat, partially. Fantastic, man. HR 6572 passing. Gotta love it, man. 334 to 79. Who the 79 nays? These people need to be destroyed. Let's destroy their lives, chat. Kappa. We're not Kappa. Maybe Kappa. I don't know. We'll see. Who do they think they are, man? They have no right. This is our choice. We can do what we want. I'm telling you, man, that 2020 lockdown crap, these effing career politician bureaucrats, they got a taste for power and they just think that they have the right. They have no right. Screw them all, dude. There's no accountability in the government. So these losers that would never succeed in the free market, they're insulated from reality. It's like university. Imagine going to university and getting like your doctorate in like some sort of humanities, and like you get your doctorate, which is a scam, and you're $200,000, $300,000, $400,000 in debt, and you're 30, and you graduate, and it's like, you're just a communist. You just graduate, and you're just an effing communist, man. You can't, there's no ROI in your degree. You're 30. You have been completely and utterly indoctrinated with the communist crap that they push in these universities. This is just a bad thing. This all started the Frankfurt School in Germany in the early 1900s, while the Vanderbilts and the Carnegie, Rockefellers were building America. You had these German cucks over there building universities. And in those universities, they taught that there was no such thing as individual rights. They laughed at Christianity and the Bill of Rights and the Constitution in Germany. And that's where all this garbage trash has started. And now it has spread and metastasized to stage 4. And we got to deal with it now. That's these people in the government. That's the way their brain works. It all started with that. A little history. All right, Solana, hype in the chat. Let's keep this thing going. Let's get to 194 and say successful setup, at least for target 1. All right, so was there a request actually? Unironic request? Yeah, SPP pay. All right, let's see here. S-Pay, triple pay. Oh, platinum, Palladium. Dang. Oh my God.
/used on Qcoin, IRO and Depin narrative. What do you think when you looking at weekly on this? 0.5 or 0.618 Fibo possible?
Anonymous, thank you for the 20. We will look at it, I swear. Okay, that's all I can say. Wow, man, wow. That's pretty cool. I mean, right there's that one last resistance from 2013. But yeah, like, good God, what a beautiful structural development in a nasty downtrend. But nevertheless, it's developed, it's matured, it's a good request. It is, do we have it? It looks like slightly slanted neckline, and we got a breakout. Oh my God, great request, dude. This could be just the beginning. Based on the Palladium chart and the Platinum chart, I would think it would be the beginning. They're breaching the 200 moving average, momentum shift, right? 1071's a big deal. If they break 1071, that's a mega breakout, okay? Today was the highest, 14 minutes, highest daily candle close confirmed since, holy crap, September 2023. Look at that neckline, how it's been formally back tested. Breakout on Thursday, stayed out on Friday, and then today you got this really nice back test. That's beautiful. pay. Wow. You break 1071, your target 1216 first, you know, the swing high from 2019, swing low from 2020, 2021. Yeah, that'd be on deck. Okay. Very nice. So post that for the peoples. Nice request, man. Work of art. Okay. 69,677 on Bitcoin right now. After that nice back test of 69K. Well, we looked at Uni. Zimpal's there too. Remix wants Cas. Yeah, Cas. I know it had been in a good trend. Oh yeah, dude, look at that, Chad. Well, we got an M shape completing, but that's incredible. Nice. I'm glad you're bringing it up today, dude, because wow, everyone getting pinged on that. Can we get a breaking news? Breaking news. Cas breakout of falling wedge. Hype in the frickin' chat. Look how beautiful this structure is. Anybody see the falling wedge breakout? Say yeah. All right. That is wonderful. Recapturing the 200 simple moving average today. Yeah, see, elevated. This one was a dream. I mean, this one, we were all over this white on rice back when there was an ascending triangle, you know, painted by Jesus himself. It was so perfect. And then the markup, and then there's just been nothing really. You had the kind of confirmed bottom for the all-time high, but now look at that. Like, you think, what are you talking about? So like a low to a high, that's an 88% retrace. It's too many scan wicks, I think, too deep to say formal M shape, but from the low to high, deep value perceived area in an uptrend, the highest value in an uptrend when this happens, from the previous low to high. That's one time, then two. And then what I love about it is they've confirmed a bottom at the 886. And look at this, a higher low. Love the higher low. So this has max upside. If you measure the move, it's crazy. From the size of the structure, like that. From the breakout on the wedge. It's just the beginning if it's real. You don't know. You got to have confirmation. The 100% measure move on CAS is 19 cents. Okay? Hype in the chat for a very nice bullish structure, right? A falling wedge in an uptrend, a bullish pattern and a bullish trend. It's going to have good reliability, and if it is reliable, it could very well outperform. And so you're staring at something that's got all the makings of a Velocity athlete here. Okay, there was bullish divergence done here on the MACD histogram to boot. Nice. So there you have it. Cost, type in the chat. 20 cents. You could even, like, I mean, if you're really, you could have a stop below 11.2 cents. This little low here, maybe a sign of strength. And there you go. You'd have 3-to-1 easily in this situation. So only at 4.69% today. So it's like, it could be maybe like this. I know it's kind of, you're kind of being a rounder in this situation, but 3.81 to 1 reward to risk and like that. Okay. Nice. I'll add costs to the watch list, man, so we don't forget about it. Have alerts set up too. Okay, I'll have that alert set up. Boom. If we hear a new high, we'll hear the beep. I will be alerted to it. Okay. And I think that might have been, oh, DMTR now has been requested. Dimitri, whatever. I don't know. Not looking great, man. I mean, it's not really performing today. Lower highs than the previous highs, lower low than the previous low. Not really seeing much here that's compelling to me. Sideways, I mean, you know, of course, but it'd be nice to see a bullish back test of key levels that have never been back tested formally as support before from 2022 or 3. I would prefer like waiting till it gets to 9.7, 10 cents, maybe even 8 cents for a 200 moving average back test. It just doesn't look that great to me, you know? I'm sure it could break. It could do it, man. Maybe someone's like, it's a dragon. The dragon tail. Where are the bids? All right. It doesn't mean it can't go up. It just means I just think that there are better looking structural developments across this market where you can better manage your risk appropriately. All right. That's it, man. DMTR, meh. Weekly, he wants the weekly. All right. Same thing. I mean, there's no back test going on. You know, you just finally showed your first level of negative momentum since October. Holy crap. It could keep going. I'm sure they could attempt to rally here. Absolutely. But by the book, it doesn't really have the framework. And it's not showing us the framework at key levels, which is what we want always for the best setups. That's it. Tired of reading some chat. Is chat dead? I can't tell. It's so bright in here, man. I got my blinds down. It is not a good environment to be streaming. I'll tell you that. I'm trying to make do here. All right, let's go back to Ethereum. It's the Ethereum live stream. Ethereum, you say? Yes, still up 18.4%. Unreal, man. Incredible. Still broken out above the key level from 2022. And there's just not much really here till $4,000. So, I mean, I don't know. I guess locally you got the March and April highs that are going to be tested. If they're not, yeah, they're pretty much being tested right now. 36.78. So those are newer though. There's nothing from history. Those are just upthrust and failed break attempts from buyers to, you know, break this high. They failed, so you just now have a locally little bit higher resistance right there. No, my trainer wasn't mad. Of course not. Oh man, he understands. He gets it. That was a nuclear breakout of the supply line for sure. That was crazy. And then, yeah, it was just catalyzed. Multiple catalysts. That's so rare, dude. Like you got, oh, okay, the analyst talking about increased probability of ETF approval, and then the Crypto Act gets passed by the House of Representatives. So just, all right, now give me one more. Give me some sort of good Bitcoin catalyst. That would make me very happy. So how did the S&P 500 close today? The spider, they did it, man. All right, if I had my Jesus chimes, we would. Jesus chimes, highest daily candle close in the history of human civilization on the S&P 500. There it is. They did it, man. Freaking amazing. Dow Jones, I don't think had the same fate today. No, it did not. It was, nope. Lowest daily candle close since May 14th. Then the NASDAQ did have, I believe, its highest candle close in history. There it was. Highest price and highest close ever. So incredible, man. The bullish Harami still going. Gotta love it, man. IWM, we'll look at it. Meh. Just up against resistance. That's whatever. Not that great. Piercing line, though. Nice piercing line as it continues. Crazy. How did Nvidia close? Not at the all-time highs. Oh, it was so close, man. Okay, second highest daily candle close literally ever. Yep, sad. But up after hours, 0.14% really doesn't matter. But yeah, 950.03 would have been the all-time high for close. Still just up there, and I think they're just keeping it elevated till earnings. And man, you flip your coin, this thing's opening at 850 the next day. Flip your coin, it's at 1050. I think it's 11% implied volatility. So let's just say earnings was tomorrow. It's either we're up trading at 1050 or we're trading at 840. Okay, that's like where we are. That's what's going to happen probably, one way or another. What they're implying anyway. So very close. Any other? Oh, let's look at how did gold close. Unless it's still going. Nah, it just 1 day, 2 hours. How's that real? It's a daily time scale, and we've got 1 day, 2 hours. It's crazy. So guess what? Highest daily candle close literally ever. We have a new day, and that's it. So history made on gold. Long-term history on silver being made with the highest daily candle close in 11 plus years, I believe. Yeah, highest daily candle close officially since January 30th, 2013. Stupid. Man, look at this 3 falling peaks here. That was a dream. Wow. Whew. Classic distribution collapse. It's always the rule of 3, man. I dig it. That bullish back test was something else, wasn't it? So there's just not much here till 35, 36 bucks. I mean, the target $37.63 and $50, $49.99, whatever. Yeah, dude, down here in Miami, it's like crazy hot. I mean, we got record level heat indices, whatever. Wild. So it's like all-time highs on. I go Super Saiyan. Remember this one, dude?
I'm just about that action, boss.
Hey man, can you
The
check out
Action
CRB?
Connect. Thank you, Matthew
It's
D.
finally going.
CR Bay. We can look Cash Money. They defended that 2020 low, didn't they? Matthew D. He went Super Saiyan. That's the first Super Saiyan contribution we've seen probably in a year plus. So thank you so much for that, dude. Okay. You could level up 12-12, 24-24. What was it after that? 48-48. I can't remember after 48-48. You can go Super Saiyan, Super Saiyan. I can't even remember the levels that we can do. 96 is Ultra Instinct, though. Crazy. People forgot about all that. Hot in Miami, weird? Yeah, no, totally weird. Totally legal. Wow, Dogecoin's up 11+%. Oh my God, man. Still just sideways. It's kind of like a lot of the other alts were. Oh, it's the same price. It was trading at March 4th. So we're talking over 2 months, man. Same price. But maybe it's starting. It'll be the highest daily candle close since April 12th, though, in 4 hours. Dang, man, 4 hours? No way. How's that real? That's not real. I don't know why it's saying that. That's broken, dude. No. It'll be the highest daily candle close since April in like 1 hour and 15 minutes or so, give or take. Bonk, bro. Bonk was a dream, man. Can't say it wasn't here on Friday talking about Bonk. Something else, dude. It was a dream. Oops, wrong Bonk chart. Which chart was I looking at for Bonk? It was the Bonk. Oh, I know, dude. I know. It was Bybit or something. Bonk spot. There it is. What a dream. You were warned. Highest price since March 15th. Going for the highest daily candle close since March 14th. And targeting for 363,283. 476,753. I know they're hundredths or thousandths of a cent, right? You're on the way, man. It looked too good for a type 2. Too strong here. Too local reaccumulation. Eyeballed it. 4 hour. It looked like a dream. And here we go, man. Up almost 20%.
Hey Mitch, went in super heavy on Robinhood cause it looked like the Christ ready to rise. Juicy.
We looked at Hood earlier on the other stream. It looked good. Hood looked good, if I recall. Thank you, Greg. Sorry, I can't read much. Mama Ivy needs to return. It's funny you say that. Because I think Mama Ivy kind of did return today. Mama Ivy texted we back. What is that? What did you say? Wow, that's so crazy. All right. I don't know about that 2147B, and it sounds like a droid from Star Wars. Wojak, dude, Wojak was something else. These memes, like, they unironically looked amazing. Like Wojak, how do you say it? How do you do it?
Hip hip hooray for Mitch Ray.
Oh my god, a crypto face! Hype in the chat for crypto face! Alright, if we don't get any hype in the chat for crypto face, I'm in the stream, but there's no hype for crypto face.
Rob tipped $25.
So, Rob?
I finally listened to you a couple days ago and was rewarded. Thank you, sir. Don't give up on us.
Thank you, Rob, for the 25, man. And thanks for not giving up on me, man. Thank you, dude. Well, it was just... It's almost a litmus test, right? When I'm about at wit's end and there are certified textbook trade setups, you just know it's in the next 2-3 weeks. Something happening. Wojak about to jack your woes in a very positive way. You know, this is just set up. I mean, Wojak's walking, and I'm just thinking that you're going for like all-time highs at some point off this. This is crazy, dude. So much demand. The market participants here, it's signs of strength, very subtle, but the market participants cannot test the 200-day simple moving average. Once and twice, the demand line is being defended like impeccably. You're going for the highest daily candle close since freaking March 15th. I don't know what else you can ask for. Momentum harmonic. It's kind of like type 1, type 2 here. You could definitely make the argument, and it's just about go time. But it's been like that, and we've just been losing our minds waiting for them to play out. Incredible. Absolutely amazing. Pepe getting listed on Coinbase soon? Maybe? Come on, dude. Announcements of announcement questions. What? And I can't see anything. It's just getting tougher and tougher as the sun keeps going down. Yeah, dude. CryptoFace, good to see you, man. Thanks for coming by. It's like, well, I will say, CryptoFace, Ethereum goes up 20%. Well, look who shows up. I'm surprised we hadn't seen Tom Crown yet pop in because pumps. And whoever else. You know, it sucks, man. I wish it wasn't like party streams. I wish when we weren't having party streams, there was this much love, dude. One day, maybe, it'll be normal. We'll get it eventually. Okay, so these memes looking set up for Kingdom Come. That will be done. CRV, someone requested, yes, they were just holding. And now, you know, you're still spinning your wheels doing, like, I mean, same price since April 13th. It's kind of like a lot of the other ones that are, congratulations on being up 10, 15%. But in reality, it's nowhere. I mean, I do think that these are levels where certainly one could have a stop loss set up and let these things ride because there is max upside if they truly do hold here, which they're trying. And then you go, I mean, minimum target upside for CRV is, you know, 17% upside, and then after that you're looking probably around 40+% upside. Yeah, this is a 2020 level that they held by the grace of God. They tried once and twice and thrice and fourice. Yeah, certainly was diverging some on the RSI here. Class B, of course. Yeah, so that was a request, I think, or maybe not. It wasn't really a request. Informal request. All right, no, it was really a request by Cash Money. Thank you, dude. It's finally going. I would say, yep, meh, big mess. Cool though. It could just be the beginning, hopefully. 3 trillion total market cap. Is that true? Oh my god, incredible, dude. I like totals, man. dude's dumping everything in XRP. Ugh. Doge Weekly looks like it's gonna go. Yeah, probably crypto face. A lot of them are looking like that. I mean, yeah, you got the memes. It's the memes, dude. Let's go to the weekly on Doge. I mean, dude, look at that. It's like the momentum shift, the harmonic. I mean, engulfing. The daily looks fantastic. The weekly. Yeah, sorry, the visibility there. Yeah, I mean, like, there's just really outside of like 17.8 cents, which is 17.86 cents. That's been a level. It's been tested. They've been trying. If they break 17.8 cents, yes, your target is legit 33 to 35 cents. Just to say, overhead resistance. We're talking 110 to 120% upside on Doge if they can ever break 17.8 cents. Okay. Well, yeah, I mean, sure, above that's freaking 56 cents, maybe 46 cents on the way too. So yeah, it's great, man. Oh, trading above the 200-week moving average. This thing's in an uptrend, man. These are longer term hold. You have to hold this for the whole cycle, and that cycle might take another freaking year. But that's like, come on, man. How many times have we been looking at these altcoins that have reversed their trend indubitably? Like, there's no doubt they have. Consecutive higher highs, higher lows after the bubble pop, after like 18 months of a bottoming base got put in. H-bar, file, you name it, man. Go to the weekly on these. This is like you are being given a dream on something like Filecoin. How do you get an 88% retrace in a long-term established uptrend? Look, man, you have to put it in perspective. Look how far off you are from all-time highs or even September 2021 highs. Like, forget that one, April 2021. Let's just go August's Fibonacci high to low, and it's ludicrous. A 23% retrace on Filecoin, the most shallow, pathetic joke of a retrace known to man. 390% upside just to hit the most shallow joke of a retrace ever. 390, almost 400% upside. And that's what I'm saying. It could last it could take a year. But that's the eventual target on Filecoin. Imagine if I Fibonacci'd from the actual all-time high. I don't need to. It's absurd. And you've been hand-delivered another impeccable setup at the lowest risk area ever you could dream of. Close enough to levels where you could strategically set up stop losses, take on the minimal losses if it fails. Why would you want to own Filecoin below 486 anyway? And it's just unbelievable upside, like higher highs, because that's the next thing that happens after you put in your formal highest low of the uptrend right here. It's going on. So you're going to go test the highs and make higher highs. $16 outside of Fibonacci just for, you know, all right, fine, 170, 170% upside until that level. Because once this $10 level breaks, man, which is your first little target there, game on, man. H-bar is another one that I love, like technically speaking. I don't give a crap about. It's blockchain technology, man. I don't care. H-bar to me is extremely set up for stupid upside. We're talking, all right, H-bar goes up 100%. Then you all just, if you're in here and you're watching this, then you just join the annual Patreon at this point. Because it's like you're going to be swimming in with money once these altcoins actually hit these levels. And when we get to these levels, it's going to be real hard strategizing entries and stop losses. Very hard. That's going to be profit-taking levels up there. And then you're going to wait for the pullback for another like 100-day setup to develop. Which this took a while, man. Are you kidding? Look how long this harmonic took to develop. It took straight up 74 days. And then for you to get the higher low, 86 plus days. You just wait. You just own H-bar and you wait for 24 cents. You wait for 16 cents, which is nothing to scoff at. But I'm thinking we're going way higher on these alts. The trend is your friend. It has reversed and signs of strength. The failure from sellers to test the 200, the failure from sellers to test the inflection point like they did in April. No, too much demand. Sorry, Larry Fink and his gang of, you know, money grubbers, they just bought it up here, okay? Sorry. Whew. Let Filecoin be at peace. Filecoin will be at peace when it goes up 400% and hits a 23% joke of a retrace. Yep. Holy crap. Chat, is this stream still on? Have I lost internet yet? Is everything cool, man? We just kind of went on a rant there. What's up, Oval? What's up to Mills? That's right. ETH to BDC. What a comeback, right? What a freaking comeback. Rant again? Why? It's all the same rants, right? Because it's like, I'm going to look at this one. I'm going to say the same thing about, I don't know. This one's kind of got a key characteristic that is different. A news-driven catalyst, and then the pullback that shows the strength. Like the hand, like this is like showing the hands of the buyers. There's nothing they can do about it. For someone that knows how to read price action appropriately, that right there screams, oh yeah, gonna perform incredibly well on the way up. Gonna go retest 16 cents and beyond. So this one is kind of different in its own league with that recent price action. But it's not to say, man, like there aren't others. Like Uniswap was one that had the setup. Filecoin had the setup. Sol had its own setup in its own right. It's a little different than the others. Litecoin had like confirmed bottom here. Like, yeah, they held it. They defended 77 and it kept. And now look, it's gonna have its highest close since April 11th. Jonathan's okay, man. 3 trillion. H-bar, stop loss, below that 1, you know what I'm talking about?
Do you ever use Phil used on Coinbase? It has the most data. Check it out. Cheers. 54.3985637 KNC.
What's up, Glass Blowing Jesus, man? Thank you, dude. For the 3333 repeating, of course. Do I? I think, yeah. I think so. I think I do. Yeah, I just don't really update. I mean, yeah, $6-7, you know, you got, look, man, it's the M shape, the target. It's a trade setup that is active. It is currently an active setup for people in the Patreon and the Citadel. All right. The entry, the stop loss, they're all there. It's an 886 Gartley. It's a work of art. It is a dream of a dream, in my opinion. Like, it took almost 100 days for this thing to freaking develop. That is not something to joke about or laugh about. It's still below the 200. Really, you need more. I mean, I want to see us break 667, $7. I just think the upside is so high, and your downside potential, like, we don't know if these will set up, or we don't know if they'll play out. Okay, we just know that we can manage our risk with minimal losses if it fails, but we know if this succeeds, we make stupid amounts of money. 3-to-1 reward to risk minimum. It's like way more than that. My God, what is it at this point? It's like minimum. My God, like 5 plus 6-to-1, and that's just like first target stuff. Tens of billions flooding in, man. MC2, it would. My G-Soul would berserk itself to death in a positive way. Isra, CRV looking good. I mean, it's okay. It's like, yes, I think there are better setups with higher lows. Like this one, Filecoin has an undeniable higher low. CRV does not. CRV make the same low. And it's fine. And it's defending the level. It's just, I like more than before. So the other one was it KNC? No, it was ZRX. Yeah. So what I'm thinking on this one could be the case where this is just a whacked out type 2 return of the bullish bat pattern from January, and you're close enough to a bottom here. Look at these two lows. higher than, well, this low and this low. I mean, this could very well be like the genesis of a KNC crazy run back to 121 and beyond. So I would not sleep on KNC. It's pretty good. But ZRX was another like really good one. It's only up 3.3% repeating, of course. But dude, another just crazy. It was low risk because it is an active trade. And I do think that you'll see probably 114 to 130 again off of this. Bueller. How long have we been live now, man? This is stream number 2. We've been live about an hour. If you're enjoying it, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks for being here. Okay. Thank y'all, for real. It's been a long time coming. Thanks for the 830 people here. 287 likes. That's kind of pathetic. That's kind of a joke. Like, really? Are y'all trying to tell me that this isn't good? I'm not doing a good job. I mean, I might not be doing a good job. So I guess maybe you're telling me via not liking the stream. That's cool. It's very fair. You can do that. Storage is up tremendously today, 10+%, but just kind of, making a lower low than the low from January, but these two lows are higher than this low down here, so it's still probably fine. Anything above 53 cents, eventually going to see the 200, 68, 69 cents again. See, it's just not as good as some of the others, but it doesn't mean they're not going to go up. It's just we're looking for the framework by the book, man. Autophagy, my music should be so quiet that it shouldn't bother you. It should not be disrupting the stream. Like, it's at 35 decibels. I don't know. It should be like legit quiet and not disruptive. Can barely hear. All right. I don't even know if he was trolling, man. He could have been genuine, but yeah, I guess he's trolling. Thanks a lot, troll. I'm not used to trolls, right? I'm only used to my core viewing audience now. Like, I'm not used to like new viewers and new people joining the stream. But I mean, we've been talking about it, have we not? Just last stream, we were talking about these things will be up, and I know for a fact these people will be back. And here they are. Some of them are back. All right. Tezos was another good setup with the M shape. And it had a little wedge. And look at that. They broke it. They back tested the breakout. And now you're working on your highest daily close since either May 3rd or April 29th. It was close enough to an inflection point, so one could strategize an entry and stop loss appropriately with max upside potential. You're talking about an asset that made an 88% retrace, ended uptrend in the completion of the M shape at the inflection point. That is a dream. That's what dreams are made of, dude. That's not a joke. Those are the best setups. Not these, they made lower lows and they're not really trading at supports or resistances. This was a good one, man. This one you've been pinged on it if you're in the Citadel Patreon or whatever. It's been there. It's good. Very nice. Let's see how Vara's doing. Vara was a good trade setup. Hit one of the three fast. But, since it hit that first target, it's been dead, and they can't stop the bleeding. Like, I'm thinking that you're going to get a third valley and hopefully get that crazy schematic, right? The classic accumulation structure after the M shape completes, but maybe you have to make an 88% retrace here. It's like, you're at the 886. What the heck? They might need to test 7.1 cents too. These would be incredible entries if you could get a little bit lower. It's either here or 7 cents. And that could be like the lowest risk entry you could imagine on something like Vara, okay? So just still waiting and waiting below 200. Eventually this thing's just going to have an insane Jesus day where it's up 25%. Yeah, so still technically an active setup that is partially completed. One of three targets hit. Let's look at XLM. It's kind of like, they're holding 10.5 cents.
Crypto tipped $25. Hi Mitch. Nice view. Could you look at Ape?
What's up, crypto? Yeah, I'm gonna go get the cryptos. We'll look at Apecoin that did hit that pattern completion zone again of that insane butterfly crab. So type 2 return possibly going on there. Yeah. We'll take gander. So XLM, I mean, like if you really care about a local level that was, created August 2023. Yeah, stop loss maybe somewhere below 10 cents and let it ride 13, 14 cents. So there's just so much adversity. Like how are the market participants going to break through all these there's a lot of resistance, man. It's just a lot of freaking levels all over the, But yeah, I mean, you'd think the trend is reversed.
0.0275873 ETH.
What's up, Jose? The trader Jose. Thank you for the $10 worth of Ethereum. Making me FOMO into Ethereum, dude. Thank you, man. Bitcoin melting up. I'm sorry. Doesn't look like it on my screen. I mean, it's up 5.38%, but that's so meh. Whatever, dude. 5% up days. I would say melt ups 10+% days, and like, no doubt about it. So yeah, XLM kind of interesting here. If one wants to be around her, yeah, it's like kind of 10 cents as your cutoff. I don't think you'd want to own XLM below 10 cents. But then, it could see a 14-cent run. A run to 14 cents, whatever. Zcash, I believe, had an M shape completed, right? It was an M shape, 100%. But still, the 886 there, looking good, man, for 26. They break 26 back to 33.33 repeating, of course. I think it was Dash then that had the M shape that I had painted. Ah, yes. Oh, it's beautiful, man. Oh, it's the same picture. Like, what the? Here we go again. You got like type 1 and kind of the type 2 is.
They say LB/used quoting for aerodrome prices, since ALP has way less supply. 2.191900093 UNI.
Boring finances. Thank you for the 20. We can take a gander. Look here, listen on down. I know, man, it's the biggest pile of garbage ever at the freaking basement, but it still is set up for $38 to $40 again. I don't know if they'll break that, but if they do, $56. They were trying last time off this harmonic. Beautiful. That played out perfectly, harmonic trading, right? And now we got it again. So you wonder, I would not be surprised if we see a $38 to $39 dash again impending. Not bad. We want more. One more chat. You died. Get wrecked, everyone. The mic needs an air filter. Oh, I've got that. Okay, Bitcoin's trying to go positive on the 4 hour. We got 46 minutes to go to the daily close. It's time for Power Hour. Okay, I have on the pop thing now. Sorry, I know it's probably loud. Hold on. Okay, I highly doubt there's going to be any difference here from what was going on before, but dang, man, Dash is sexual chocolate. Sexual chocolate! Got a ping on this one. Legs hidden? No way. I could have sworn they weren't. Of course they are. Like, how stupid. What a joke. Thanks for the 800 people tuned in. Alright, Ethereum up. Okay, let's go, dude. Let's go. Got a new thumbnail coming in hot. Pepe power up. Everyone loves Pepe when he powers up, right? One sec. Nice. New thumb. Let's get to 420 likes. I mean, we got over 500 likes on the last stream. Are you trying to tell me that last stream was better than this stream? Because last stream, Ethereum was up about 5%. Bitcoin has gone positive. Bitcoin is currently trading above $70,000 now, chat. Let's break and go. Let's go back to the Bitcoin chart. Because maybe the party's not over. Maybe we're going to get the power hour of all power hours that was written about in old ancient texts and tablets from the Mayans, the Aztecs, the Egyptians. Remember that? The Jesus candle they talked about in there? Something like that. Beautiful, man, to see the bullish back test of 69K. I mean, Bitcoin is up $1,100 after that back test in this 4-hour candle.
RNDR, Render, $20 plus, probably after it looks like we finally made $10 support, 0.000301588 BTC.
I'll get rid of this. I don't know. I was trying to make the German guy sound like Klaus Schwab. You will eat the bugs, but this guy sounds nothing like Klaus Schwab. All right, 70,272 right there. Bitcoin is definitely kind of doing things right now, nearing its highs of the day. I tell you, this is going on right now, man. And we got a supply line currently at 71,227. There's a little bit of resistance. The candle closes at 71.3. That all lines up. Okay, so that is our target. $71,000 to $71,300. So about $1,000 till the next real resistance that makes any inkling of sense. Okay, that's just reality. It may reverse randomly before then, but that's if you look at it. You got them lined up and just plot it here. The candle close, right? To be conservative, and that is confluent with that supply line down there. Or you could look at it like we have been looking at it, where it's just Wyckoff reaccumulation, which has turned out to be, it seems like, correct. Beautiful. Wyckoff accumulation with the spring action, and then the back test of spring action. And then your target on this one, I mean, 71.3, but like if you're going to go to the top of the range, which that's what happens when you jump across the creek and you back test springs, you run. So, I mean, just 72,744 up there. So session highs on Binance, 70,131. You know, about a $200 spread differential between the two exchanges. Yet earlier, it was like a $600 spread. It was wild. I don't know. Now things have kind of calmed down a little bit. Why is that chat way off on price? What are you talking about, Rob? What chat? It was like 800. Yeah, Dan, I remember. It was weird. 70,400 on Bitcoin. Oh my God, we are about, not fresh highs yet. You were close. The highs today, $70,500 and 0 pennies. So close to the highs. But yeah, on the Binance chart, certainly, we're making the highs, man. Oh, Matthew D, welcome back to the stream, Dad. Yeah, this is a dang type of day, man. Dang. Like, you can't even make this up. 70,208, the highs. Highest price on Binance since April 12th. I guess the South Koreans and the Chinese had to think about it. And now they're like, yeah, this is maybe real. We are so back, right? LFG. Mara did kill it today. Bet 1 than 2. Matthew D, you did it, man. All right, here we go. We are so close to that freaking high of the day. I will tell you, as soon as it happens, we are less than $40 away. With 40 minutes to go to the daily close, you got to wonder if this is going to be a magical power hour. You got to wonder, man. So friggin' close. Trying to do this with 2 monitors is tough, man. Not easy. The Mills, not quite, man. The Hey Song is reserved for when we... Remember, the Hey Song is about 2 minutes and 35 seconds or something. And the point of the Hey Song is we try to get a fresh all-time high in that 2 minutes and 30 plus seconds. That's how it works. So no, the Hey Song's not really that close. We got a lot higher to go. Bitcoin to the US dollar tether is up over 6% now for the first time today. Wow, there's just no asks. Who is there to sell their Bitcoin? I don't think anyone's left. It's incredible to see this right now. The sheer strength of these market participants. Trend is friend. You had 2 months to DCA, 10% of what you were going to allocate once a week. And guess what, dude? 8 weeks went by. No, 9 weeks went by. Could have just DCA'd the whole time and not worried about it. Or, oh, there it is, 70,500, but no higher. No higher. So we are now rivaling the highs of the day by the cent. You get it, the fives and the zeros, psychological. Here it is, 500 right here. Highs of the day, rivaling, no higher. The second test in seconds of 70,500. There it is, broken, 70,513. We are making the fresh highs, the highest highs we've seen since April 12th. And that will continue until Bitcoin breaches 71,000 plus. So very nice to see that. But, you know, back 70,512, 507, near the highs, right there. Well, let's just go to the Bitcoin chart on Coinbase because you got a $200+ spread here. There we are. Beautiful. Oh my God, it's a Jesus candle. Up 6.4% right now. Pretty much at the highs. Give or take a few dollars. If you're tuning in now, we had multiple catalysts today. The Crypto Act got passed. 79 nays by Democrats. Whatever. Screw those people. 70,700. 36 right there. Fresh highs. My goodness, chat. We are going to 71,339 by the looks of it. No one's selling right now. I don't know who would be able to stop this thing before we see resistance. The markets are closed. Asia's starting. They're trying to wake up right now. Dan Green, holy yes, indeed. Brad, I don't think so. I don't really. I think those people that are voting are really stupid. So, nah, they'll just keep voting the same thing. $37 minutes till the daily close, and we have a 6.7% up day right now. $4,444.44, repeating, of course. We are now about to make. There's the fresh high, 70,739 and climbing. Holy crap, dude! Today is the day where we already jumped across the creek, which is virtually crossing the Rubicon. Let's go, Caesar. Pump this S. There's no turning back now. It was reaccumulation the whole time. Spring back tests have consequences. We are bussing GDEC. I don't think anyone in this chat, in this stream, would have any problems if we just did that. But I think we just understand that we have a level upon us. We're approaching at least Minas Morgul, right? Maybe we're about to fight Shelob here. Maybe we're nearing Mordor. Mordor would be 73,767. The Hobbits, what a journey it's been since the Shire down here in, May 12th, 13th. Making the analogy or whatever. Today is the day, 70,860. Oh my God, 70,000, 71,000, chat. 71,037 at the highs. This is it. This is it. If we don't get hype in the chat, this thing's over. I will call the CEO of Bitcoin and end this thing if we don't get the hype. Still right around 71K. Nearing resistance, overhead resistance, down sloping resistance. They are confluent with each other. We could see a reaction there if we're to get there because we haven't yet. $1,000 in 5 minutes, just about. He went for a walk today. Pathetic, chat. That's just not enough hype. As you can see, the CEO of Bitcoin has seen the lack of hype and has decided to rug pull us by $100. Get wrecked, everyone. Cabo? Yep, you tried, chat. You tried. It's okay, though, because we're already back to 71K or close enough to it. Thanks for the 930 people tuned in. 955 tuned in. You are continuing to trickle in. I know who you are. I know who you are. You just joined us, and you missed the entire move today. That is a freaking shame, man. I'm sorry to hear that you missed it, but hey, we're near an all-time high, so welcome to the party. The Hey song is getting, I mean, dude, we are still. All right, if you want to know, how far away is Bitcoin from all-time highs? Great question. Bitcoin currently is 3.75% from all-time highs, so we still got we still got a little bit. But I think 71,339 is real. You could try to say like 71.6, kind of like two candles right there like that. Candle closes. And that candle close lines up with this wick right there. So it's kind of a little zone, 71.3 to 71.7. Let's see what we can do there. 3%. I said 3.75, didn't I? So it's like closer to 4, dude. Don't round down. Round up. Be a man. Round up. Yes, there was news. Yes, the Crypto Act passed, and it is berserk. It was a double whammy. Algo pumping, good. Trade setup. Let's freaking go, man. These alts, we didn't know if they were going to play out. We never acted like we knew they were going to play out. We just knew the framework was there. We're back above 71K, 71,051, 57, 72. We are at the highs of the day. 71,157, chat. We are climbing at the highs again, approaching the resistance. The supply line and the overhead resistance. Oh my God. Oh my God. 71,181. New highs. We have 32 minutes. So the close 71,199. Right, 250 right there. Chat. This is happening right now. 347. 364. It keeps going, man. God.
Thanks for the awesome Citadel trade setups over the years. Learned an incredible amount from the Citadel and still continue to. Can you check out?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Bat with triple bottom possibly forming. Looks just like Dash to me.
Chum, yeah, we'll check out Zen as soon as we can. Look, so it is official. If we had more Jesus chimes to throw down, Chum, we would be throwing them right now because overhead resistance and down sloping resistance, they have both been tested. As you can see right now, it's perfect. A perfect test and a perfect little pullback right now. Beautiful. And sorry, you got a little bit more work to do. If you break 71,283, you see the candle high close, the wick high right there from March 25th. It's just real. But we're not done. What we are at the highs of the day right now. 71,407. New highs. Highest price now we've seen since April 9th. 71,420. Is that a joint? 744. 534. 560, chat. Oh my God. Can we please freaking go nuts, dude? Because this is the day to go nuts. The day to go crazy. Thanks for the 1,050 people here. 466 likes. Pathetic. Pathetic. We could get 600 likes instantly if we wanted. If it was truly a hype stream, we'd get 600 likes. You know that. Yeah. Have you checked on your portfolios today? Because do you know where they are? Because they're really, really, really green. If you gave two craps about maybe what was going on. Okay. I mean, there was only like, it seems like Wyckoff reaccumulation. Altcoins are showing setups, blah, 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 like for upside. There was no, well, it looks like we're about to collapse. There was none of that. Not technically. Jumped across the creek. When you jump across the creek, when you back test springs, man, those are signals, dude. That's right, BK Blitz. Wojak launched as well. Well, Wojak, we were waiting for it, man. All right, so we're just trading dollars off. The highs, 6-week highs, pretty much, nearing the highest levels we've ever seen. And trying to break a supply line of the downsloping consolidation structure we've had going on for 2 months, really. Over 2 months, right? Yeah, we're talking 9 weeks now. Trying to breach that, but right up at it. Crazy. So don't get cocky, kid. Ethereum's up over 20% on the day. I'll take a look at it real quick. Yes, it's near its highs as well. Still trading at its highest price since April 9th. My alert has not gone off on this yet. It's just kind of simmering, I would think the word is. Sizzling, simmering at the same time.
The hobbits
It's great.
are coming by to Rivendell.
Are they? Rivendell was at like 65.9, dude. No. Too far gone now. Okay, Fellowship's already broken. Boromir already went crazy. Okay. It's too late for that, man. What is it? The Gandalf said, things are in motion that cannot be undone. Correct, dude. Thank you for the 20. The 1999 repeating, of course. Jacob with a K. That's right, Vinti. We've been waiting. We've been waiting, dude. And the resistance is real, right? I mean, we could plot a gray zone right here. You know it's real. No idea if we break it sooner rather than later, but it's just going on. How
Can
far?
we look at Quiff? Thanks.
No, dude, we looked at Quip before even Ethereum today at the beginning of the stream. If you want to rewind and check it. Bitcoin's currently still 3.59% away from its all-time highs. About 68 days, 67 days off its all-time highs. 71,300. They're trying right now. They're really trying. There's not much selling going on. 3.59%, Matthew D. So, meh. Oh my God, I couldn't imagine. Could you imagine being short on MicroStrategy? You'd have to be crazy. Well-established uptrend with inverse head and shoulders pattern, with gap fills at 2,200 or whatever, all-time high 33. Dude, that's crazy, man. You have to be like nuts. Like, there's no argument for really being short, like technically speaking, but whatever. Sorry, man. I'm trying to catch my breath here. Second stream of the day. Had a good workout, good cardio. Thanks for the 1,120 here. We are just dollars away from the highs. From what is it? What was it again? 5-week highs, 6-week highs. Night stream 2, the way this is going, maybe. I don't know. The sun, the sun's setting soon. Maybe we'll get a sunset on stream. You know, that'd be a first, possibly. I don't think we've ever had one. So we are about, here, I'm do it. We are about 1 hour from a sunset. There's a rule you can do with your fingers. Each finger represents 15 minutes. And so you put where the sun is to where the horizon is. And so if you can fit your whole hand from the horizon to the sun, you got about an hour. I mean, we probably got less than an hour. I would say probably 45 minutes till the sun sets. So get wrecked, sun. What was that one asset that was like Bitcoin? It was like, it looked so good. It's on the stock market. It was like CGTBC or something stupid. Anyone remember that? Oh, well, Shrimp, it's true. I could have it full anonymous stream.
Hello, my name is Mitch. I'm part of the cartel, man. I'm a defector of the cartel.
Sorry, yeah. Matthew Brandt, now you know. Maybe it'll save one of y'all's lives. Y'all be like, dude, you're like stranded, like you went on a nature trail and then you couldn't get back in time and you needed that to know how much time, daylight you had left. Use your fingers, 15 minutes per finger.
BTC out on 3-day if we get above 71.6k
Ooh.
in 25 minutes.
Let's look at it real quick. 3-day on Bitcoin. Yep, 71.6 would be an all-time high. Yep, 3 hour. No, it's not. This is bugged. I don't know why it's doing this. It's 24 minutes, 25 minutes till the 3-day close. Yeah, he's right. Anything above 71.6 on the close would be an all-time high. Let's freaking do it, man. Yeah, let me like refresh this because it shouldn't say 3 hours 12 minutes. It's bugged out. It happens sometimes. See, look at that, 24 minutes. Super confusing. Viewers be like, what's going on, man? Yeah, rest in peace, Red Lobster. It was the beginning of the end when they did the all-you-can-eat shrimp. People exploited that. Low income, poverty areas, big exploit. You know, 2 people would order the shrimp and then a family of 6 or 8 would indulge. And that happened too many times. Get wrecked. High trust society, promotion, and low trust society. It doesn't work, man. It can't work. Sorry. This is why we can't have good things. We can't have nice things. Poor, stupid people doing stuff. You know, they're opportunists, whatever. My God, man, we got a lot of altcoins up double-digit percentage points today. ENS up 22, Uniswap up 21%, Ethereum virtually up 20%, OP up 17.76%. Let's go America. ETC up 17%, Theta up 16%, INJ, ARB, Unibot, SNX, Lind, IMX, Maker, IOTA, Big Time, GRT, KSM, and just countless S coins up 10+% today, and it feels good, man. Even though you think on the altcoins, so much needs to be done still because they're just spinning their wheels, stuck in the mud. Not going to make the highest high in 6+ weeks yet. Still stuck in that consolidation range on some, but some others more fortunate. $71,430, very close to the highs, and we have 22 minutes. All you need is another $200 for a close in 22 minutes for the highest 3-day candle close in human history. It would be insane. $71,500 right now. We are very, very close. Holy crap, they are not done, man. Not done. David B says LFG in all caps for sure.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Supply shock taking effect. We'll see about that, Larry. We're up against a resistance here, but I do freaking love how we have an ongoing potential breakout of the entire bullish consolidation structure that started and began its development March 13th. Supply line being broken, so clearly not enough supply to keep us tamed down for now. Anything's possible, man. In the next 21 minutes. The devs did do something, certainly. Coca-Cola, don't get wrecked, dude. Sorry. 40. Wait, what is this? 7,000, 71,460. Good God, no one is really selling, dude. Can we please keep it going? Can we please get a 10% candle? We're only up 7.8% today on Bitcoin, so kind of meh. Let's go, Zoom pal. Let's do it, dude. So we're just gonna be hanging out for the next 20 minutes to just see where this all concludes. Where are the traders gonna settle up today? Ethereum is just kind of unrivaled in its gains today. The double whammy news-driven catalyst and breaching a very real inflection point from 2022. But we got this local overhead resistance now, manufactured March 26th and confirmed in April. So you break that, easy run to 4,000. Don Pratt, thanks for the $20 super chat, man. Good to see you. And the TA must be respected, man. We jumped across the creek, man. Reaccumulation with spring action. Just a work of art, man. Let's go back 71,400 plus. It's just hard to get off this Bitcoin chart, man, because we're so close to prosperity. So freaking close, man. But I'm happy to be experiencing the euphoria with all of you fine people. 1,208 of y'all, 583 likes. We're very close to 600 likes. We could probably do that. I think we have the technology. If we get us over 700 likes, we'll probably break to the 3-day all-time highs. We are about $260 away, $240 away from that. Yeah, join the Discord or be destroyed, certainly. Swear fealty to the technical analysis or get wrecked, dude. Yeah, join the Discord. It's free to join this Discord. A very active community of like-minded individuals. We all care about traditional technical analysis, risk management, trading. There are valuable resources in the Discord that are free, and it's just the source material. Join the Discord. I've just linked it. I pin it right now. It's a fun place to be where this conversation will inevitably end when the stream ends, but it will not end in the Discord. So get in there. Get on in there. And you'll have a good time, man. Asia woke up. Asia's still waking up, man. They're getting their coffee. That's right. Obliterate the like button, man. Obliterate the bid button on the Bitcoin. Because we are so close, dude, to the promised land. I wouldn't say we're close enough to the Hey song yet. We're, I don't know, like 3% off the Hey song. Like, practically speaking. Like, I think Bitcoin would need to be near like 73,000 plus. Yeah, you'd have to be over 73,000 for me to want to play the Hey song. I wouldn't say I'm in a good mood. I'm just covering the price action. You know, that's all I'm doing right now. It's not like moods, good mood, bad mood. It's same
Pepe
mood.
Mooning. Feels good, man. Feels good, man. Feels good, man.
Crypto Bravo, thanks so much for the 420. Pepe Mooning, hype in the chat for the Pepes. Pepe was looking pretty good, man. It was looking strong. Look at that, man. That's beautiful. Going for the highest daily candle close literally ever. 17 minutes, yeah. To all-time highs. Pepe coin up 22%. The memes are going freaking berserk, man. But then the ones that are not so much memes, you got like Algorand, which is a perfect trade setup. By the book, easy to manage risk. Hasn't even really begun, dude. It being up 7% today doesn't matter. You're talking about targets of 27, 28 cents easy, 35 cents after that. It's beautiful setups here. Engine Coin's another one. Like, they're breaking it out. You got 16 minutes till a confirmed bullish breakout. Key level, the harmonic framework, the dream, dude. The bullish divergence on the RSI on the type 2. It was by the book, man. Tezos, same type of stuff going on. Beautiful 886 M shapes completing and uptrends. Good stuff, man. Okay. $71,400 plus dollars. Who's selling? Who's freaking selling now? Dude, you can't convince anyone to sell right now, right? Who? Even Asia's gonna be like, nah, I don't think I want to sell this. This is kind of crazy. This is insane, actually. I don't think I will sell, sir. They might tell us that this evening. Sun is setting. We've got about 30 minutes till the sun sets. Full moon in 3 days. Okay. We are waxing on. We're not waning. Love it, man. Still got a breach of the supply line ongoing at this current time with 15 minutes to go to the daily close. Just hanging out with you on your drive home, or when you're at work right now because you're on the West Coast, or if you are home now and you're just hanging out, working out, doing your thing. We got some serious stuff going on. Like, I mean, no one's selling their Bitcoin. And you do know we are at 5-year lows on supply on exchanges. And that number has been plummeting. So you got to wonder if there's going to be some sort of correlation with that and a supply shock that would, take us to price discovery. The rate at which we are accelerating in price, you can't be that surprised, man. Sorry, let me try to change my... Yeah, I don't know. It's getting really, really... sorry about that. I didn't notice. Change my webcam. Yeah, my exposure is just too... It had to be really low. Hi. Yeah, okay. We're back to normal now. Boom. So will we do it? I just don't know. You're at a level where there could certainly be supply. Like there could be general consensus area. It's a general consensus area where multiple market participants might have some sell orders set up. Certainly. I mean, this is it. It's either here or it's at 73.1. Take your pick. That's right. We need the muffled voice. UFO documentary. Yeah, man. I saw the aliens. I was there on S4. Just kidding. <sighs> 13 minutes to go, man. Okay. I know we had a couple requests, but this is just like we've got live priced action, monitoring it carefully. I know people are not here to see some stock request right now. It's like you do understand. You could have spent $20 and requested yesterday, the day before, 2 days ago, the day before, the day before, the day before. The past 7 weeks, you could have requested assets, and it wouldn't be like this every day. But you can't come in when Bitcoin's up almost 7-8%, up 8%, and be like, hey man, can you look at this stock right now when there's over 1,000 people watching? We're all here for one reason, two reasons: Bitcoin, Ethereum, all crypto, right? Come on, man. It's kind of like, what are you doing? You should be requesting assets on the stock market when it's not like this. We already looked at MicroStrategy. Some of these freaking crypto miners have gone nuts too. If I had my other chart over chat, we could freaking look. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. Very close, man. Thanks for the 1,233 people here. It's been a minute. Good to see y'all again. The Larry come latelys. Oh, by the way, Bitcoin, highest level of positive momentum seen since March 4th. And how about that, man? Where we were in this pretty much record-setting positive momentum drought. And then we got May 5th, the first level. And look what it's manifested into. You can't even make it up, dude. It do be like that. Okay, we are commercial free for the next 11 minutes. As the sun begins to look pretty, I will, don't know if I can start bringing it up yet, my blinds, but soon, and we'll have a sunset stream. 11 minutes, I don't know if we'll make it. Yeah, the sun will still kind of be up. And we're going on about 20 minutes till the sun sets. I'll open one of the blinds. Hoarders in the building. Hello, Crypto Hoarder. Welcome. Where you been, dude? I guess you've been buying a lot. I know you were buying before, but we need you to keep buying, man, if we're going to break the inflection point that we are currently trading at. Sell in May. Yeah, right. Pump in May. Well, the thing about May, it rhymes with way, so it's like buy in May, go away. That works. Oh, can you see? Like, let's see what happens with my face with the sun. You know, the sun is beaming upon thee right now. I don't know if it's going to be too much. Okay, we're in the last 10 minutes of trading. Oh, sorry, my volume has been off. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't put too much weight on that. So we are really close now. I mean, there's no one selling really. Look how like elevated we are, and we're staying elevated. So close, man. So we're just staying live. You know what? Well, let's do it now, man. Let's do the. I don't lose connection. Let's do the sunset. All right, let's turn it around. Forget me, dude. Let's get ourselves a sunset. Why is it like that? What? Oh, let me mess with the webcam real quick. I don't know why it's blurry like that. Jeez. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That maybe? Kind of. I don't know. How do we make it look better, though? Let's see if there's things I can do. Brightness. Well, it's kind of tough, man. Sharpness? No. Ooh, saturation looking good. We are at $71,400, chat. No worries. Whoa. Okay. No idea what that's gonna do. Ooh. Kind of looks better there. I guess we're good. I guess that's as good as we're gonna get with this webcam. Unfortunately. 71,445. We are getting closer, chat. A lot closer. Let's get in full screen. Here's your full screen.
Can we look at Quiff? Thanks.
Anonymous, yes. We shall get to that. Sure thing, man. Thank you. Forget the things we're watching. Sorry. Yep. There it is. Just for a second, and we'll go back. Okay, because, we got to have Bitcoin price going, because we are really, really close here. 6 minutes, 24 seconds to the close. It doesn't look like, unless we get some 6-minute pumpage, we're not going to get a 3-day record. We are about $200 off of that record. I don't know. Maybe we could make it to where I'm also in the picture. I don't know. We'll see. We got time. Dude, this thing is blah. Yeah, there we go. Kind of. It's kind of better. I'm kind of in the picture, kind of not, whatever. Yeah, that's as good as we're getting. All right. Can you add someone on Discord? What do you mean? I mean, send them the link. As the sun sets, we got, where's my finger? There it is. Got about 15 minutes till the sun sets completely. It's just unfortunate we can't get the sunset and like, I don't know. See, if I do it like that, you can see me, but you can't see the sun. That's what I hate about it. I wish we could like, I wish there was a webcam that wasn't crap like this. Oh yeah, that's true, Jerry. That's what's going on, man. You're right. It's okay. Whatever. We have 4 minutes till the close. We're just hanging out together for some sort of history. It would be let's see what we can do. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be right now the 5th highest candle close ever if it closed. Show the sun. The sun is shown. Like, right, I can go full screen. There's the full screen mode. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful sunset going on. And at the same time, Bitcoin's sun is rising. Ten more likes till something happens, apparently. And we got 3 minutes, 1 minute to the local on the 8s. Hive in the chat. My God. Wow, the sun's beautiful right now. I just like, you can't do justice with, like, you know, the human eye has the equivalent of 576 megapixels. And all these webcams are like, "Ooh, we got 20 megapixels, bro." Like, it doesn't matter. You can't do justice. Did we get 700 likes, man? So yeah, the Vega. Yeah, I gotta go 12 hours, drive 12 hours to get that thing. All right, we got 2 minutes and change. Seeing if we get any $200 pump in the next 2 minutes, because that would give us the 3-day record. Looks like we're going to be just shy of that, unless a miracle happens, which the whole day has been a miracle for crypto. It could be a shark, yeah, hitting an 886 finally. That's right, we're on the local on the 8s. 1 minute 40 seconds to the close. Come on, dude. Bitcoin. Lady Bitcoin, give us love, all right? We're close, 71,470 dollars away from the highs. But we need more than before. As the sun sets. The sun sets, man. So lame. Let's see if we can at least zoom it. Kidding me? Zoom this thing. That's it? It's not gonna zoom anymore? It's like max zoom? What a joke, dude. Okay. We are zoomed. We have less than 1 minute till the daily close. So close, man. So close. We will not get the record on the 3-day. You will be closing at... Shoot, man. Sad to say, it will be the third highest 3-day candle close literally ever. Unless they pump it just a little bit more. It would be maybe the second highest ever. 10 seconds. What a shame, man. What a big shame. It was like your 5th highest daily candle close ever and your third highest 3-day candle close in history. Jesus chimes, type in the chat or get wrecked. Okay. Up against an overhead resistance. That is where we closed. We've not broken anything. I don't know. We broke the supply line. Like, look, you can see. Look, the supply line has been breached. They also broke us above that candle high close from March 31st. But still, I think it's kind of a zone, 71,800, whatever. Maybe they back test us, 71,158 before we climb higher, hopefully. I'm down for whatever, man. What a great day. I'm so happy that I got to experience it with all of you. This is the second stream of the day. We've been live now for nearly 2 hours as the sun sets in Miami. There it is. It's beautiful, man. Let it set. I just wish it did justice, man, because it is beautiful right now. It looks like a freaking huge orange. No justice being done at all with this webcam. It's a joke. It's not a great shot, dude. I wish y'all could be here to see it. It's crazy. It's so much better in person. I see you can't even tell on this screen now. Good God. Yeah, you gotta like really scale in. Yeah, it does look like the orange juice futures, man. It's beautiful. See if there's anything else I can do. So as we wait for maybe some, new day price action, maybe that back test 71,100. I don't know. We watch the sun go down on my side of town. Oh, yeah, a little bit brighter now. You can see my face, man. This is weird though, because it's so like zoomed in. What a beautiful sunset, man. I wish y'all could see it. It's like a joke here. It's like Rudy Poo looks stupid on webcam. So there's just not much really happening on the new day, at least on Bitcoin. Gonna get the pullback to test it maybe, or whatever. The last moments of the sun going down in Miami, man. Man, what a day. What a freaking day. May 20th. Awesome. Yeah, the Miami daily candle close is upon us. Seconds away. Scott Carney in the house, man. Hype of the chat, Scott Carney. We did it, man. We broke out, at least broke the supply line of the bull flag, whatever you want to call it, and broke some sort of local high. But, new day. We got to probably go test it, see if it's real, and then maybe we could go higher sooner rather than later. That would be great, man. I'd be down. All right. Now the sun has gone down. Beautiful. So let's unzoom. Let's get some more exposure in here. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, man. Yeah. All right. Well, dude, I really just wanted to be live for that close, that pretty historic close. It's been beautiful. But, what do you do, man, after a day like that? I mean, it's hard to think it's going to... You think it would continue? We're going to get crazy price action like that? Oh, I didn't know. Cat No Banana following me on TradingView. Wow. Here comes the back test. I mean, even a back test of 69K, chat, is completely fine. It's really not a big deal. You get that? Like, if Bitcoin goes to 69K and market participants have to formally backtest the level to reconfirm its validity as support, you can't be mad. Like, at all. Smart Scott with 1T wants to buy more right now. You're crazy, dude. You're freaking crazy. There was the backtest. Do you see it? It was the backtest on the daily. Let's see if it's real, though. That's what they're attempting to do right now. Jonathan, it was set up, dude. The 886, the M shape.
Just wanted to say thanks and check out Ballast. Carney got me onto it lately. That 886 hole very nice.
All right. Thank you, One Wheeler, for the 20. Yeah, I know I have a couple requests. Maybe I could knock those out real quick since the Euphoria is not with us right now, but you can clearly see what they're trying to do right now. And I have it plotted perfectly for you. We'll see. I think there were a couple stocks, but it just, if we get the real back test, man, I'll be coming straight back to Bitcoin. Good God. Oh man, the music said stop? It's about to. Good God. Let's just switch it up real quick. Alright, someone requested render ALB. See, Ape. Yeah, man, I'm behind, dude. Yeah, let's go to Apecoin real quick. Knock out these requests while I have a time. I have time. Yep. As you can see, Ape. It's like a type 2 return down here. Like a pretty whacked out looking one, but nevertheless, a second test at the pattern completion zone of the really nice bullish butterfly. Easy to manage risk. I don't know if you want to own it below $1. Not really, man. This is it. Like, this is as low as you're getting. This is your chance. If you want to, you're close enough. 260 plus has to be your target. I mean, so I don't know if it'll play out. I just know that, like, you can strategically set up a stop loss below level, like $1, and let this thing ride and see what happens. Yeah. Because there could be max upside when you buy at these levels on the second test. So it's not bad. Okay? Crypto 2 times, that was for you. ALB for boring. You want ALB USDC? I guess on Bybit. Oh yeah, oh my God. Oh my God, it's a freaking perfect M shape. Either one, like whatever. Wow, it's a bat for the ages. Perfect, man. Oh my God. You kidding me? And then, like, it's like, look, a swing low from June of 2023 was defended once, and now kind of twice. I mean, I think your major target's 173 here. Like, that's the only way it'd be equitable anyway if you took a long. Yeah, it was up a crap load, like 16% yesterday. What's not, you know? But that 91 cents, stop loss below that and let it ride. 173 would be the target, okay? You can see a zone. Harmonic targets that are aggressive, 229 plus. Yeah, beautiful. ARB. Nice request, Boring Finances. Yeah, it's perfect for upside, okay? Let me post that. There you go, nice. Like many others. It's got to make him the velocity athlete for sure. Render that had been just killing it anyway. Yes, they defended this level. They've done it before, right? It's the dragon. I don't know if I did on the 12 hour or not. It didn't. Yeah, dude, freaking amazing. Like, unreal. Scott Carney's in here too, and he's probably going to be like, oh my god. Right? It was like type 1. And then it was a type 2. And it's all happening at inflection points from history. Look at that. You can't make it up. So yeah, they're just consolidating, whatever. Even if it comes to $8, $7.94 for a back test, it's still going to be incredible. So it's harder to manage your risk here. Maybe you stop below 950. The highs here, the base has been put in over the past week, if you want. But it's either good now, and it's even better at $8 for like a real back test, like. You know, say, like, oh, Bitcoin corrects 69K. All right, you get that. Oh, my God. Forget about it. Most easy setup ever. It's a little bit tougher up here. That's why going in on the second test, that you can tell when they recapture the level, that's kind of your signal. So very nice on render. Absolutely, man. Bullish and golden candle confirmed on render yesterday. / today. Chum wants Zen, which I thought kind of looked good or something, right? Didn't it? Where's the data? Where's my work? Oh my god, yeah, dude, it's like many others. Like, yeah. Yeah, I mean, target's 1150 minimum. 1150 minimum, the old August 2020 high. Above that, probably 50. I would say 1571 would be your second target. Third target, 1847. All right, these things have just completed these M shapes. They're perfect. They're just going sideways, and they're still like really not doing much. Like they haven't really done the thing yet. They haven't pulled a Uniswap or an Ethereum or anything, ETC. Bitcoin Cash, oh my god. We're going, dude. We're freaking going. 637, 650 target on Bitcoin Cash, man. As Bitcoin pulls back down 0.42%, Bitcoin Cash is up 0.6%. So something like Bitcoin doing what it did yesterday, you could see some of these altcoins really go berserk today because, you know, confidence returns to the markets. That's normally, I think, why altcoins run after Bitcoin. Confidence. They gain confidence to believe that this is kind of real with Bitcoin. So they start speculating on the altcoins and start bidding up these nice structures. R-Pink, I remember, dude. I mean, it's not even funny because it's ridiculous. It's like absolutely unbelievable. It's the most believable thing, literally, in human history, but it's unbelievable, you know, in a way. So, hype in the chat for Bitcoin Cash. Probably gonna, I mean, you got another stupid upside, talking like 20+% upside on Bitcoin Cash, and that's just to go test the resistance. I mean, I eventually break that. This trend continues, and we're going on the deep retrace up there. We're talking eventually like $1,500 maybe. I mean, you know, like that's like crazy. I mean, and if not, then fine. Let's just say like high to low. We've already made like a 382 at least, right? Yeah, 382. Your target's like 1,000. 869, this is going to continue. Golden zone, you've already tested the bottom of the golden zone. It goes all the way to 1050. So yes, it's looking freaking good here. Ethereum still going, you say? Up 0.5? Yeah, my God, man, they're going for the highs, aren't they? Like, they're just no nonsense. I think we'll pull back. I think you'll get a wick on the bottom side. You haven't seen anything yet. So even if it goes higher, I think like eventually wick down, I got, 35.80 back test will be incredible, but yeah, maybe there's just too much juice going on. The buyers are still trying to defend that demand line on Bitcoin. Let me just try to pull it up so you can see on the 4 hour I'm talking about. Like, it's just scale in pretty hard. Look at this. Do you see it? They're trying, dude. Let's go, Crypto Face. Hype in the chat, man. ATC Madness, thank you so much for renewing your annual Patreon just today, moments ago. Hype in the freaking chat. That's like the single best way and like amazing way to support this 100% crowdsourced community. So I really appreciate that, ATC Madness. Please get some hype in the chat for him. Holy crap. Much love. Well, I hope you rejoined because you're saying, hey, man, those setups were there. You could have taken action if you wanted. We didn't act like we knew they were going to play out, and they, right? And they started to. Well, we got a long way to go. Okay, long way to go. So let's see. There's another request for someone after CWIF for anonymous. Okay. And so I'm carefully monitoring cat with hat. Oh my god, dude. Oh, it's kind of incredible. Oh my god, how are they doing that? This is wild. This looks like reaccumulation. Dude, it's like not. It could be if you add the wick. It's 3 rising valleys. It's the third valley. This is it. It's time. I mean, it's like we're talking about impending markup. Cat with hat. Impending effing markup to who knows. Like, I mean, for real. Here's the overhead resistance at 9138. I know it's to the dollar. It's worthless. I mean, it's like 1/10,000th of a penny, whatever. Once you break that, yeah, I think you go on to a nice show to 11,957. This is incredible. Cat with hat. Don't sleep on the third valley. Hidden bullish divergence. I'm gonna on the 4 hour. Ooh, on the RSI, yes, we have 4 hour hidden bullish divergence in third valley. So this time scale is not that significant, but this is a pretty large structure here. Okay, going back to May 10th. Get ready on cat with hat, and nothing, you wouldn't want to own it below 5724. This is freaking nuts. Cat with hat about to change people's lives like dog with hat did. Wow, cat with hat. No way. Moon soon. Good God. Okay, Bitcoin 71,620. We're at the highs. 71,677, 732, 773, 796. Wow, they just 71,800 plus. We got to go back to Bitcoin. Oh my God, they're doing it. Oh my God, it's happening. Highs a day. Highs of 5 weeks plus. Highest price since April 8th, 2024. And trying to break it right now. Mother of God. Is this real life? We're back, chat. We're back. No Hay songs till we're all-time high is imminent. Or close to imminent. Where we can gamble to say we'll play the Hay song. Good God. 71,837, 35. Yep, we're close, man. Like, say they closed it right now, it'd be the third highest daily candle close ever. 71,890 right there. We are at the highs. Asia's awake, but are they doing it? Like, who's selling? Who in Asia can afford to sell their Bitcoin right now? 71,959, new highs. Highest price since April 8th again. Trying to break that little range, that overhead resistance manufactured in March and April. They're trying to break it. We're about to be at 72,000. We are $20. We're about $20 from 72K right there. Mother of God. Wow, this guy's pretty. Crap. Let me turn some lights on in here. That did nothing. My lights are on now. What? All right, let me man, gosh dang, man, the webcams is like annoying where you gotta configure the brightness constantly. That looks awful. All of it looks terrible. Wow, they really were getting us going right there, weren't they? Yeah, there's not much I can do here. Exposure maybe? No, man. Yeah, there we go. But then it like screws everything up. Like it makes me lag. My frames per second gets wrecked. This is just maybe a crappy webcam, man. Let me, I don't know. Not much I can do right now while the sun sets. We'll figure it out when it's nighttime. Okay, see, there you go, man. There you go. Not a joke, man. That is not a joke. It's a zone. It's a zone, and you cannot argue.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Yeah, thanks for the 1,119 people tuned in. We got 10 likes till 800. I think we could do that in seconds if you truly wanted it. I just don't know if you can do it, man. Yeah, 71,645 right now. We got as high as 71,972. We were so close to 72K. It's a fantastic evening. Record heat down here in South Florida. What a pump on Ethereum earlier, and all the Ethereum children, Ethereum Classic, ENS, Ethereum Nave Service. SH, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here for all those years. I mean, you've been here since the genesis of this community, so thanks, man. Really appreciate it. Yeah, it's kind of weird, Dan. The like the difference between Coinbase and Binance and price, that spread is wild. Solana before today had been massively outperforming Ethereum in every way. So, well, I'm in the dark because I can't get my freaking webcam to play ball. Yeah, I gotta wait till nighttime to figure this out. I don't know. See if I can. Hold on. Let me do something. See, I have my freaking lamp on. Even more light. Look at that. This is wild. That's crazy. That's better. All right. We could deal with that. I think that's good. Finally got it figured out a little bit, man. A little bit. Solana, 188.74. Let's freaking go. We got fresh highs on Solana. Highest price since April 4th. It's the dragon. The dragon, man. The dragon into inverse head and shoulders. It was a work of art. It was beautiful. It really was a dream, man. The TA respect was just off the charts on this one. Yeah, 194, 196. 196 is the target of the trade setup, the first target. We were in closer and closer. It was a super hype day. Man, I am smelly, sweaty from this workout. I got up here and chugged my protein shake, and that was when Ethereum was going nuts. Like, all right, got to go live again. So, yeah, my life has been on stream today for the most part. The sun is already set. We got to see it live on stream, man.
Look at the sunset. Can you look at Ajix, soon to be RC after merger with Ocean and Fetch, on Qcoin? Ascending triangle?
Sure, we can. Yeah, absolutely. Let me try to extend that out, maybe. Yeah, we can look at that. If you're so inclined. Wait, what's going on? I think that's good. Hold on. Man, we were doing it for a minute on Bitcoin. See, I still got some requests. I gotta look at BAL, B-A-L. Next, all right, so I have my alert set up on Sol. If we continue our ascent, I will go right back to it. Balancer. I think we recently looked at this one. It was like 100% retrace. Yeah, I mean, anything above 362 is solid. Yeah, look at that. I mean, yeah, recapturing a key level for the second time now. So it's kind of like in that category of meh, whatever. Not really that great. It was like 100%. It was a lower low. You know, I'm looking at the ones that are making slightly higher lows, 886s. This is like 100, maybe 113. So, but yeah, anything above like $4 is incredible. Like you got so much upside if they can. I like how it's like one low then the second low discernible, and these two lows are higher than this low, and that confirms more than before accumulation. So, yeah, it's just like an M shape that went too low. Maybe hit a hop and had a nice day yesterday. My God, it was up 13.6%. Yeah, sure. Anything above this zone here, 362 to $4 is good for way higher prices eventually, like $8 is your hardcore target above 4. Okay. On BAL. All right, AGIX finally caught up. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's looking so good here. Yeah, AGIX, like, yeah, no one's selling, that's for sure. I thought I had data on this one. I had, like, done my work. Maybe not. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Here it is. This is incredible. Like, they back tested the range as support, and now there's so much demand that the seller's failing and failing. It's just like your third valley now. I mean, getting ready. Yeah. Getting friggin' ready, man. It's like an M shape, too. M shape completing above a level and probably getting your targets kind of easily be 140, 139 to 147, okay? Yep. That is your target up there. Like, I could paint it. I don't really need to. It's like too perfect of tops, like to be a formal M shape, like a formal harmonic that you would say by the book. But it's just X, A, B, C, D, and D is concluded with like consolidation. Things getting ready to mark up. Yeah, you probably got from where it is right now, like 35 to 45% upside on AGIX. What a bullish back test for. I mean, that's good for. And you wouldn't want to own it below 63 cents. There's so much downside, but above it's solid. Yeah, looking good. Okay. Grab with the sunset. Sunset's over, man. It's just dusk now. It does look pretty cool. It's pretty cool, man. Let's look at it. Yeah, man, that's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool sunset, man. Yeah, the sunset got wrecked, bro. Alex, that would be wonderful. Yeah, these altcoins looking pretty good, man. GRT up 2% on the new day. Highest price seen since April 9th. Massive bullish engulfing Mara Bazoo yesterday. Good God. And then that 30-cent level was regarded as support. That's freaking nice. Yeah, you're looking at like 42 plus cents on this one. Comp up 1.89% on the new day, up against that 200 moving average. Wasn't too much to look at. I think it's still fine. Probably going to go to $70 if this all continues. CRV up 1.75%. You know, look, this is a big deal. This is like huge. I mean, 53 cents plus if this holds. So what could be like type 2 return kind of maybe. Like, you're at the basement, bro. This is the basement. This is when like, okay, I'm going to take a shot. Like, yep, this is the best time. Probably. Bitcoin Cash. Almost 2%. Looking great here. Bitcoin 71,420. Meh. Big mess. Pathetic. Wow, we got 841 likes. We could get 900 likes. And that would be great. Going bonkers. I don't have an alert set up on that one. Manic Daily. Yeah. It's down here. I mean, it's, made in 886. Like, certainly. Look, from the low to high. This is a very successful trade setup already. I mean, 886 virtually hit, and now breaking back above 72.2 cents. Anything above 72.2 cents equals 89 cents to $1. So, yeah. Still just kind of sitting sideways like a lot of these other ones. I don't really like this low being lower than this low, these lows, but whatever. They recaptured it. Okay. Boring Finance, yeah, I gotta do that. I just don't know it's like a good time to do it right now. Yeah, man. Just had a crazy workout. I gotta eat food and do all these things. Oh yeah, Cardano, man, like freaking did it down here. It was like, hey man, you can if you want. This is it. Anything above 41 cents equals 56 cents eventually. This thing's like probably bottomed. This old level from history was re-regarded as support for the first time. April 13th, and too much demand to see it again, so that's enough. I just think it'd be going to 64 plus cents if we're talking dragons. All right, 71,480. Man, we almost had it, but they really did have to test $71,800, didn't they? That was a real resistance. Rudy Poo, what's that, dude? Say that again, man. Wow. That's crazy. Altcoin up 1.8% on the new day. Look, dude, this is a dream. When this thing hits 950, okay, when it hits 950, just say, all right, I'll join the Patreon, right? The setup's there, man. Join the annual Patreon at 950. Come on, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh yeah, it's like 51 to 60% upside, and you're just gonna be like, no, I don't really care. I don't really care. It's like, get wrecked, dude. Get destroyed at 950. Okay. It's there. The world is yours. Ethereum, oh my God, it continues 3,700. The party is not over. Asia says, let us continue this ride. There's your Filecoin, bro. Have my alert set up. Here's Ethereum, highest level seen since April 9th, taking out yesterday's highs. They have spent no time. There has been no pullback. You've not seen a low of the day. I mean, the low of the day was open, the price from yesterday. And we're at 3,701 just a second ago. The last little resistance till $4,000. ETH, killing it, man. Hong Kong Bing Bong, man. Yeah, they open up in an hour. It's crazy. Wow, see the lighting's all screwed up now. It's kind of weird looking.
Gentlemen, in the mix.
Oh, see, now I turned the exposure. What? What are they doing? So weird. How is it like that? It's kind of like default settings. See, that's default setting. Get the... That's freaking crazy, man. This webcam sucks, man. Like, notice how it lags like this? Like everything lags. I don't understand it. Bro, that's freaking psychotic, dude. No caps. We already looked at Pepe. Sorry you're late. We looked at a lot of things today. Verdicts get absolutely destroyed, dude. That's all I can tell you, okay? Get destroyed. Chat. He said sold the low last week. Should I buy back now or wait? Get destroyed, dude. Sorry, but get destroyed. Oh man, we've been live now 2.5 hours. Second stream of the day. See if I can move this thing. Maybe we can make it higher. Hold on a sec. Let me work on those for a moment, okay? One sec.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Okay, all right. So I think it's better. I think the whole setup is kind of a lot better now, but Bitcoin's not really going anywhere. Just spinning its wheels. Ethereum's off its highs by $20 or so. So you can see Bitcoin down 0.19%, ping pong in between two levels, a zone, a supply line, possibly flipping to a demand line. I really like. You just don't know. I mean, we could see 69K and everything's gonna be freaking fine, man. Oh my God, it's freaking Comcast! Hype in the chat. You don't hype in the chat. This thing's over.
Comcast tipped $100. Cord.
Gosh dang it! Hold on. Is that even? No, that's not even. Comcast, let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking do it. Thank you so much for the freaking 100. I think that's the largest contribution of the day, man. So really, really appreciate that, bro. Dude, this is so difficult. I'm telling you, man. To make the horizon. Oh, there it is. We now are flat earthers. Okay. Thank you, dude. Really appreciate that. Yep. Session Top Jesus for Comcast now. Get wrecked, everyone. Largest one-day market cap gain for Ethereum ever. $70 billion. Oh, my God. That's crazy. So we were here for freaking history, man. What is it? Corn in the chat. If you don't corn, I'm going to lose my freaking mind. No, look, session top means whoever had the largest contribution. Right? It says, I mean, that's it. It compounds. Appreciate that, man. For real. Good music. This Bitcoin is hanging out at support resistance right now. And that's about it. Oh, I should be eating dinner right now. Trying to relax a little bit. Been a long day. What, I've been live for what, over almost 4 hours now on the day. And this is what it's all about. This is like why, I mean, daytime, cool, man, cool. Like view. Nighttime looks like a friggin' spaceship, okay? Because we wait on Bitcoin, we can just hang out together. Okay. Up here, we are 600 plus feet in the sky. And we are waiting for resolution, more resolution on the corn. That's right, Maxwell, at the top of the citadel to you. We here. We in here. Good workout today. Hopefully you got your workout in too. You put in the work. You did the thing, man. We got alien spaceships flying around. We got it all down here. Or pink, that's weird. Maybe not. This is a massive plethora of no coiners. The highest high of majority of all these human beings down here, they did not make any money like we did today. And they shall stay down there as no coiners. You're right. Why y'all talking about being naked, dude? Like, what? Why? There's nothing about this that equals naked. Oh, man, I wish my ancillary was on the other side so I could, like, read chat and then look up. I gotta, like, do this and that. Maybe, I don't know if I could do it. Maybe I could. Let's see. It's about as good as it's going to get improv right now. Still, like, again, looking at the 4 hour on Bitcoin and watching the price action correlate to some very real levels that you've seen. Sorry, let me show you real quick. And there it is. I mean, that's some crazy stuff, right? Crazy stuff, man.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Ethereum going for it. Real or fake news? Because my alert would go off if it was going for it, right? Crazy? Oh no, it's, oh my God, no, I don't even have an alert set up. Shoot, dude. Crypto Bravo, what's up, dude? Thanks for the 420. Cat with hat. Oh, the memes are gonna go, dude. Okay. It's gonna happen. You're gonna deal with it. Looks like 6 FPS. Yeah, dude, I don't know. It's like garbage, you know? I need to probably get a new webcam. This is the same webcam I used back in... This might be the first webcam I ever used. I don't think I've gotten rid of this. So this is like a 2018 webcam. Nevertheless, yeah, it's pretty bad. Because like if I change the settings, it just doesn't work right. Like I can't turn down the exposure. Exposure is like what causes. So look at that. It's like I'm at -7 there and it's just wrecked. Really disappointing. It's effed. Yeah, 3,700 on Ethereum still. I figure a back test at 3580 would happen eventually, sometime today. It just hasn't yet. No, the lighting's amazing. Are you kidding? There's a lamp right here. No, it doesn't matter. No amount of lighting will fix it. It's weird. Anyway. Staring at Ethereum right now, nearing its highs. The low light is not a problem I have. Let's do it like this then, man. Let's do the thing. There you go. Is that brighter? Is that even brighter, man? My God, like, what do I have to do? Like, get the sun in here? Look at this. Like, dude, that's crazy. All right, Bitcoin's green on the 4-hour again. This is better, I guess. Still, though. All right, $3,718 on freaking Ethereum. Unbelievable.
What's up, man? Can we look at Mara? Thanks.
What's up, Mara, man? JB, thanks for 20, dude. Hype in the chat for JB. Hit that like button on the contribution. Yeah, Mara killed it. What a break. But remember, Mara was about the 4-hour, and it was impeccable. It was a dream, right? A dream setup. Like a 3 rising valleys, hidden bullish divergence on the 3rd valley. I guess Morning Star. I've never seen a Morning Star Mara Bazoo. What the? That's crazy. Anyway, so you breached the key level of levels that we really needed to be back above. So massive bullish engulfing candle, or close enough to an engulfing. Highest daily candle close since March 28th. And anything above 1954 is incredible for $30+ of upside, okay? So Mara is confirming its highest low of the newly established uptrend. And it's almost like one low, the second low, then the third low. Shoot, dude, these are getting really ready for higher prices, man. Okay. Thank you, JB. So we're keeping our eyes on Ethereum right now, which is so close to making its highest levels since mid-March. About to take out possibly the high from early April. We're just watching an extended coverage of this bullish pandemonium with multiple news-driven catalysts for Ethereum and one really big one for the entire crypto market. Okay. Dude, this is still like really low lighting. It sucks, man. I don't know. You know. It's really not a big deal. We're just screwing around, man. Like, this is an extended coverage stream, you know, because normally we getting be able to get I-95 down there, kind of tougher. As good as it's getting, man, right? How do I do this? Where I'm like further back like that. Yeah, 71,345. Ethereum's still up there. Gotta go to the bathroom in a second. What, music on 100? What are you talking about? Don't know what you mean, dude. Okay. I wonder if like everything shifts. If I shift this further, what happens? Less of the desk is visible. Yeah, I don't know how to make this like solid, dude. That's pretty good, I guess. It doesn't even matter, man. I guess it's just for tomorrow and in the next few days. Because, oh my god, dude. Because I'm waiting on my monitors to come in, my new ones. So we can be back in the battle station in the office. Kind of good. Yeah, I don't know. I think I had it better. This sucks. Whatever. Gosh dang, man. I don't know. Just get wrecked. Rudy Poo, that person does not exist. I've looked around. Okay. Engine's up 1% on the new day. Nice. That breakout yesterday. Very nice. Tremendous upside potential on this one. Just waiting for 47 cents. Yeah, no big deal, right? Just, oh, okay, just 40% more upside. Okay. This is a travel setup, dude. This is what anywhere I go to, St. Bart's, Oklahoma, you name it. This is the setup, so it's the same. Music's just a touch louder, sure. Thank you, Joseph, man. A new channel in the making? What the heck? Is this a new channel? Shoot, dude. I would hope not. Back to the jokes. GRT, here's a joke. Casper got wrecked, man. So destroyed. But here you go. Can't say it's not at like the basement of basements. 2022 lows. Pff, garbage, man. Yeah, I don't know. Koala, calm down, dude. You're getting a little crazy, alright? A little crazy is okay, but you're getting maybe a lot crazy. Koala's back in the cage, guys. Yeah, I don't know, man. Things have lulled out. We know Asia's poor, really, really poor. So they're not really gonna be the. Are they gonna really send it? Come on, man. Did you expect them to? Shoot. $71.2, bro. Getting hungry, man.
Gentlemen in the mix.
Oh, dang, dude. Thanks for the 900 likes, chat. Really, really appreciate that. Ethereum's still in the green. Bitcoin in the red on the new day. Down 0.4%, about $300. As we just know it's a real overhead resistance. It's a real old supply line that was broken, but they're just in the midst of testing its validity to see if it's real or not. You get it. Dang, man, it just looks better, like that. This looks better, man. Looks better, somewhat. Actually, looks a lot better right there. What about gain? It's gonna look crazy, right? Oh wow, dude, that's actually amazing. Going up on gain might work. I'm just screwing around, okay? Let me screw around. Going down on that. So I can up the gain. Dang, man. Let's freaking go. Hype in the chat. Figured it out. Up the gain. All right. It actually works better, I think. You tell me. Better, right? Much better. It was all about the gains the whole time. See, like the frame rates are good now. Okay, I learned something new today. Beautiful. I look like Roy from The Office. I've never heard that one. That's a heck of a lot better. Let's freaking go, chat. Alright, so we're just waiting on Bitcoin to do something. Okay. Waiting for it to hold or fold. Here it is. Zoomed in on the microscope. Will we rise?
Gentlemen in the mix.
That's right, Comcast. Gains indeed. Yeah, this is critical areas for sure. Yep. Like if they hold that, man, oh my god. Like close to 4% away from all-time highs. Oh, you notice my plants? Yeah, they're over there. They're definitely real. Doing things. I'm surprised they're doing so well. They get so much direct sunlight. They're like these drought-resistant plants. I only need to water them like once a month. Unlike the money tree, it's about once a week. And then I've got my white princess over there about once every 4 days or so. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta like go to the bathroom. I will be right back. I'm just gonna leave it here for a minute, and y'all just hang tight. If you're enjoying the stream, the like button, the bell, sub. I'm just trying to keep it going as long as I can for your viewing pleasure. All right, I'll be right back. Like button, bell, sub, or be destroyed. Join the Discord. You know.
There's always hope for the future. The future can be read from the past. The past shines the present. And the present has happened.
All right. So nothing's happened since I've been gone, as you can see. And yeah. That's it, man. I mean, we're just hanging out, trying to backtest the level. Maybe it'll be a demand line, but
In the mix.
age is awake, and you know how Wall Street normally does the thing. Who knows what's gonna happen if it gets approved this week? That's crazy, dudes. It's crazy talk, man. We open live now, 3 hours, chat. If you're enjoying it, like button, bell, sub. Just hanging around. I don't know. Yeah, maybe the party's gonna go later tonight. Whatever. I can't stay around for all of it. GRT's up almost 4%. Wow, look at this thing go. They're pushing it higher and higher. Highest level since April 8th. Altcoin Ascension. It's the dragon. As we saw in late January was dragon season. Dragon season was back. It was, because you had Solana and now GRT, a few others. Filecoin still waiting for the promised land on this one. It's so, like, dude, it's so set up. You won't believe it, man. When it breaks. Tezos as well. You won't believe it when it's up at 140 again. You won't believe it. File G, what? 526? No way. I don't believe that. No way. What happened? Bro, what happened? What happened to this chart? I've never seen anything like this before. Huh? Dude, it's like broken. Holy, dude, they broke it. Like, look at this. I'll post it in the general chat, in the Discord. It just disappeared, man. Mr. Black, thanks so much for joining the Citadel. I really appreciate it, man. Good to see you back. Much love. Okay. Dang, man. Nice to see some new members in the Discord today. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to like sustain a long extended stream if the price just it's gonna pull back, which it normally does around this time. There's very seldom market activity in crypto until like at least 2 a.m. Eastern, 3 a.m. Yeah, Asia doesn't do much of anything with crypto, not anymore. They used to do it all the time. It used to be the biggest drivers, but like now it's meh. You gotta wait, man. But I'm very optimistic. Certainly. I like where my mug is. Your house is so nice. Perfect. Yeah, GRT continuing to ascend. It's up 4.2% and climbing. Wow, man. They're doing it on this one. This is the one of the day. The S-coin du jour. Yeah, we seldom do night streams, Brad. I mean, I was getting close to not doing day streams, getting so dead, you know, just what are you gonna do, man? Silver doing things. Let's take a look at silver real quick. I would imagine they would. Oh my god, they're keeping the party going. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm gonna have an alert set up if we get the highs of the day. Check on golds. Gold's just hanging out after its highest daily candle close and intraday all-time highs. My god. New day. Let's see. Yeah, rice futures up a little bit, hogs up, cotton up a little bit. Yeah, everything's pretty kind of flat out. So I mean, yeah, not too much happening on commodities right now, anyway. So we keep our eye on GRT. until other things emerge as big winners on the new day. Dang, dude, it's already 9 p.m. Beyond 9 p.m. Bonk almost up 4%, Mr. Black. Let's get a bonk. Beautiful. Yep, bonk, man. You know how good it looked in the 4-hour reaccumulation identified last week. Yep, there it is. Reaccumulation. And breakout. It's a work of art. Target minimum 366, 986, whatever. That's like 3/1000ths of a penny or something stupid. Okay, worthless, but nevertheless beautiful technicals on this one. It was a dream. Like, they confirmed a bottom like up here. So nice, man. Have an alert set up on bonk. One finger left. That means 15 minutes. Viray. Yeah, it's the only thing worth looking at right now is Bitcoin is back to 71K, back below the supply line, and the overhead resistance below that too. So big meh on the new day. All right, Ethereum's still up there, but yeah, you just can't be surprised. Like, whatever Bitcoin does, I mean, it's fine. It's gonna pull back. Who cares? It goes to 69K. You cannot be mad at all. Bitcoin now at the lows of the day, down $372, down 0.5%, no big deal. It's going to oscillate like that. But here's the issue. I got to eat dinner, a lot of dinners, got a lot of calories I got to eat. There you go, man. We're just sitting there at resistance, man. We've tested it, and that is all so far. What was once resistance is currently still resistance, not just down sloping, but overhead or horizontal. That is what we got going on right now. Do you see it? Is it a joke? It's not. It's very real. No, I'm good. I'm not going to eat the bugs. Thank you. Yeah, what an excellent day, man. All right. Real good day. Yeah, thank you all so much for coming out. It's been a magical few hours, 3 hours, 6 minute stream. And then we had an almost 2 hour live stream earlier today. Hour and a half? And just a long one. Then a workout in between both of those. So I'm just hungry and tired, and I will do what I can to be back for the next pump. Maybe it's tomorrow, maybe we get a cool off hangover day. Typically happens, but you know, whatever. So thank you all for watching. I'm gonna leave the full screen up for a little bit. So until next time, respect the tea.
Can you check out CLV/USD on Coinbase? On the 2-day there's some HPD forming.
Bro, that's like, what are you doing? Well, I know you've been live for 3 hours and 7 minutes and need to eat dinner and all that, but could you look at my S-Coin for me? God, man. Thanks for the contribution. I appreciate it. I'm just saying, right? It's like 3 hours. Could have done CLV 30 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago. It'd have been more appropriate. Clover Finance sounds like a winner. Okay. The trend is certainly reversed like a lot of altcoins. Wow. Really? That's a level, big level there. Below that one, not really the greatest spot. I'm sure it's like an M shape, but not deep enough. Like, it would be impeccable at 5 cents for a potential setup, but they're not letting it get there. You're at the 200 moving average. That's awesome, but like, you just don't have the deep enough retrace. They're all dragons.
Dinner on me, cool face.
All right, Mugs. All right. Soothing the tardiness there. I appreciate it, man. $50 dinner in Miami, by the way. Thank you, dude. All right. So it's just not deep enough. I mean, it's close, like 84% retrace, 200, but not inflection points. Not deep enough for the M shape to be completed. It's close to a cipher almost. Like, you could plot it like it's just like a bunch of other alts. Like a bunch of other alts, man. Like, it's close. It's real close. Maybe there's so much demand that they can't get it there. Yeah, you got a shark. It can't be that surprising. It's like hot. It's like others. It's like Tezos. It's the highest low potentially getting put in. The difference is those other ones are like perfect. Like, there's no controversy. This one's controversial because it's not at supports, not an inflection point. It's at the 200, but it's not at an 88% retrace yet. It's a definite, insane looking bullish divergence, but when bids, man? Ever bids? Like, here's one here. I mean, a low. Here's the lower low on price. And you just got kind of nothing off of that divergence. So our classic divergence, class A. So you think eventually we'll catch a reaction. You would do what other alts are going to do and just rally off this low. I mean, but Bitcoin pulls back. You can't be that surprised if we see just 5.9 cents to 5.2 cents for a back test to reconfirm this this level from 2022 as support again. They broke it, and you haven't had a real confirmation. So I think a little bit lower would be better, but here we are. Mugs, thank you for the $70, man. Much love. So we're going forward. I got the alert set up, right? My head's starting to hurt now, though, guys. Dang. I have to open up on my blinds. The other ones. Bitcoin at the lows of the day. 1,000 likes. I don't know about that, man. Stream's about to end, so yeah, 950 likes. We can get 1,000 maybe, but I'm not counting on it. 700 people watching now. The hype is gone. The hype is dead. Okay, so now I'm going to do it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Blah, 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 blah. We've already done this outro, okay? Blah, 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 blah. Join the Discord, like, sub, bell, things like that. So thanks for watching. I'll be back. Till next time. Respect. T.A. Oh, funny, dude. Funny, bro.
Sponsor sold 21 tip $25. Hey Mitch, can you look at God get some food slash USD? Bull div on hunger.
Yes, all in. All in. My entire net worth will go into go get food US dollar. Thank you so much. For the 25, we'll throw it in with mugs. Okay. Gag bag. Gags! Thanks, dude. Yeah, just like ate some dinner. Holy crap, fast. No, I'm just like, alerts going off, and Bitcoin's down $600 on the new day. Oh, wow, really? Asia sells? Yeah, that's all they do, man. They don't buy. They're buying silver. Clearly, they're buying metals. They're not really interested in crypto. So, because why would they? Like, crypto is, I mean, it would render them superfluous, right? So they don't want, they want to own all the metals, gold, because they know what's happening to the United States of America. World reserve currency will be gone in the next 5 years, 10 years maybe, I don't know. When 2030, all bets are off. But like, yeah, here we go. Get wrecked, Bitcoin. At least for the next 10 minutes, whatever. Just kidding. I don't even know, man. Are y'all even, no one's even here anymore. So I'm about to end the stream. But, yep. Yeah, good to see y'all. And for the privileged, whatever, 420 of y'all that are still here, that is not a joint. That's just y'all. So, yeah, I'll see y'all later. I'll be live if we're getting beeps on Bitcoin above 72K. Holy crap, you know.